Hi, today I wanted to do a very quick review on the Morning Glory Mach 3 pen. So I got this from Jet Pens, and as you can see on the clip it just says Morning Glory Mach 3. It's in a 0.38 millimeter tip. It's got a liquid ink in it, so it's not a gel. This is obviously the one in purple, but this is the way the pen looks. The styling of the pen is okay. It's not, I wouldn't say it's particularly attractive, but it's not really ugly either. It is what it is. And so when I uncap it, the section here, I don't know if you can see, it has a texture to it. I think you can see that texture. It's like little squares running on it. It has a texture. It's not necessarily rubberized, it just has that texture, and so that gives it a nice extra little grip when you're holding it. It's very comfortable to hold, it's very lightweight, and as you're going to see, it lays down a really nice and consistent line. So if you're the type of person that you like the V5s, the Pilot Precise, I believe it is, yeah, the Pilot Precise pens, this would be something I would say you might want to try, because it's got that same liquid ink, but it has such a fine tip. It's different than that. In fact, let me see if I can find, I know I have one. Here it is. This Pilot Precise V5 I've had since childhood, and there is still ink in it. But the Morning Glory, I think you can see it. The Morning Glory the Mach 3 is smaller. The Precise, it's an extra fine, but it might be like a 0.5 or something. This is straight up vintage. So let's try this and see how it goes. I haven't used this in a while, and so we'll see if it has any kind of hard starts, but it's very comfortable to hold in the hand, and here we go. Morning Glory Mach 3 0.38 liquid ink. So it starts up right away. It has a super thin fine line that it lays down, but absolutely no skipping and no blobbing. I've really enjoyed this pen, and it's worked especially well with some really tiny stencils that I have. I actually did a video on these little stencils, and that was, I think, the best one for this stencil set, as far as being able to get in there with the length of the tip and laying down a fine line. So if you like these Pilot Precises, I would definitely recommend trying this. It was very inexpensive on Jet Pens, and it's got nice bright ink. I know it comes in a ton of different colors, and it even has a little window there where you can check out if the ink is low, just kind of like the Precise. And you can see my ink is a little bit low in there, but I still got some. So I hope that you found this useful, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye.